Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking header for your website without getting bogged down in complicated code, you're in just the right place. Today I'll walk you through the easiest way to make a beautiful, fully functional header using Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add, customize, and tweak a header so it fits perfectly with your own site's needs, no headaches, and no guesswork. So let's jump straight in. Webflow offers a super intuitive way to build layouts, and headers are no exception. Now, you might think you have to start from scratch or drag every bit into place, but don't worry, there's a much quicker way that saves time and effort, especially if you're new to Webflow or just want things up and running fast. When you're in the Webflow Designer, look over on the left-hand side for the Add Elements panel. It looks sort of like a plus sign. Go ahead and click that to bring up all the different building blocks you can use for your website. A lot of folks might look for something called Navbar right away, and that's a great choice, but to make things even easier, I recommend you head straight to the Layout section within the Add Elements panel. Layout is where Webflow groups together all the different structure pieces, including ready-made navigation bars and headers. Here comes the trick. In the Layout section, just scroll, or if you prefer, use the search bar and type in Navbar. This handy little tool automatically filters all the options for you, so you don't have to hunt around wondering if you've missed something. You should see Navbar components pop up right away. These aren't just bare-bones blocks, they're pre-designed headers that come fully responsive, meaning they'll already work great on mobile devices and desktops alike without extra adjustments. That's a huge time saver. Once you see a Navbar design you like, simply click and drag it straight onto your page where you want your header to appear. You'll notice it instantly snaps into place at the top, almost like magic. Take a moment here, this part is pretty satisfying. Webflow's built-in navbars usually include things like your brand name or logo area, links to different pages, and often a mobile menu icon. It's all there from the start, which is especially helpful if you want to get a site prototype up quickly or show a client a fast preview. From here, the fun part begins, making the header your own. Double-click on any text or element to edit it, change your site name, add in your own logo, or swap out the navigation links so they lead exactly where you want. You can play with fonts, colors, and even padding, all within Webflow's super visual editor. Don't worry if your header doesn't look perfect right away. Take your time exploring the settings and see how the changes affect the overall layout. It's a bit like trying on different hats until you find one that really fits. And remember, you can always preview your design in different device modes to make sure it looks great everywhere. And that's really it. By using Webflow's ready-made Navbar component, you just saved yourself a lot of setup time, and you still have the flexibility to customize your header however you like. If you have any questions or you'd like to see an advanced tutorial on styling navbars, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like if this video helped you out and subscribe for more hands-on Webflow tips and tricks. See you next time.